Good luck, everybody. Part 1 of our third and final Prospectus Middlemus break of these particular arrangement of boxes. We always start with the Bowman Chrome first. Good luck to you. Trash can from the wrappers. Should I put it over here? I'm used to discarding on the right hand side. Good luck.
Starting pitchers have not allowed an earned run in 25 innings. Giants, however, 0 for 4. With runners in scoring position, they've left the bases loaded twice. Here's Matt Holliday to lead things off.
I'm going to bring the camera a little closer. I have to reach as far to show you guys the cards here. There's Bryce Harper rookie card right there. Look at that. Wow. There's a Yu Darvish rookie card right there. There's a Jorge Soler refractor right there. Oh my gosh. Irving's doing eBay shipping right now. Alright, here we go. We got a Clayton Kershaw die cut for the Dodgers. Clayton Kershaw. Hold on. There we go. Can't see what's on my screen very well. There we go.
Trying to get Holiday to chase. What ball? That's an $85 fastball.
There's the Jorge Soler refractor card for the Cubs. Pretty nice. Card Dude 75 has Cubbies. There's a Yu Darvish rookie. Wow. Incredible. Nick Castellanos, Futures game card. Tigers. Devin Mesoraco, rookie refractor. For the Reds. D. Gordon refractor for the Dodgers. Got a purple Pablo Sandoval, number to 199 for the Giants. Purple. Second stack. There's another blue. Maybe that blue is the auto. That'd be nice, huh? You never know. You never know. Josh Hamilton and Mike Holt for the Rangers. Franchise All-Stars. Refractor card. Nope. Well, maybe we get 2 autos. I don't know. Frazier Hall for the Angels is the autograph. Frazier Hall, Angels. That's football coach. I remember because I had to type it in the room what team he had. The blue is Jeremy Hefner for the New York Mets. Number to 250. Well, I got a Gregory Hopkins for the Brewers. Refractor. Nolan Arenado, Futures game for the Rockies. That's it. Ah, dang. I opened a box myself and I got a Frazier Hall base and then I got like a purple auto. Obviously from a different run of boxes, but I thought maybe we'd have had a chance because if we got the Frazier Hall again, then maybe he was the marker. for a second auto. Alright, Bowman Draft 2012. Bowman Draft Picks and Prospects.
Hey, goodies here. Keep the winner bid. And we'll go to 0. Pull up. Pull up 0.
Stroke. No, you're not running on Hunter Pants. Yeah. Hi, would you? Alright, good luck. What do we got in here? Some stuff. We're going to start with a refractor of Michael Vaughn of Vaughn TV. Refractor. Marlins. VaughnLive.tv. Michael Vaughn Live. Wow, terrible jokes. We got an ice card of Pierce Johnson for the Cubs. Pierce Johnson, ice. And a blue refractor for the Orioles of Adrian Marin. It's got a weird line going through it, though. Let's see if it shows up on cam. Kind of going right through his legs. Can you see that line? It's like some kind of line in the card. I don't know if it's not a crease. I don't know. Not showing up on cam. Maybe you can see it a little bit right there. It goes all the way across the card. See it a little bit right there. It goes all the way across the card. See it a little bit. Just heard myself talking. Clayton Henning, refractor for the Rays. Dr. JD 23. Wow. Humdinger, humdinger. Got a refractor. Nathan Minich. For the Red Sox, Nathan Minich. You did not miss number 4 playbook. Nope. Blue paper, Richard Bielski. Richard Bielski. Bielski. Phillies, number to 500. Andrew Pullen. Refractor for the Phillies.
We are in the 7th.
Dang.
A well-pitched game by Montecito and Jake Westbrook.
So many cards to sort through later. I love it. Freaking love it. Oh my gosh, there's a freaking orange refractor in here, man. Holy cow. Good luck. We got a Pierce Johnson refractor in the same box. Look at that for the Cubs. The ice card and the refractor of Pierce Johnson. Oh, Victor Roach is in this product. We got an orange paper first. Eric Stamets, orange paper for the Angels, the 250. Then the orange refractor's coming. Oh man, it looks like pirate colors. Oh man. Ooh, it's got a yellow border. Oh man. Wyatt Matheson. That's pretty good. Second rounder for the Pirates. New Orleans got Pirates. 22 of 25. Wyatt Matheson. 22 out of 25. Orange refractor. Still haven't hit an auto. Where the heck is it? Maybe it's this? Maybe it's a refractor auto? No. Tyler McQuinn for the Indians, refractor. Blue paper, Edward Cabrera. Rockies. Where is our auto? Don't jank me. Don't jank me. There it is. It's a refractor auto. Here we go. Good luck. Refractor auto. It's Lucas Sims, Atlanta Braves. Not bad. Auto refractor. Celtic Fan 33 has the Braves. Not numbered. I gave away 2 Lucas Sims from Elite the other night. I was like, ah, whatever, just a Braves card. And Brandon's over here helping Sora. He's like, you gave away 2 Lucas Sims cards? Lucas Sims is freaking good, man. It's like, oh well. Next time. You, huh?
I didn't want to put my phone in there. That's why I want to take pictures.
You still doing your scan?
Yeah, I did.
Put in there, it's gonna delete all your contacts and everything.
Imagine. I'm doing a full scan. It's already going on an hour. It's not even about 20%. So I don't want to touch it or anything until then.
2011 draft. A very expensive 2011 draft, I might add. NT sold out. First one you finally made into is like the most expensive one we've ever had. Hope it works out. I wasn't gonna. That's now you guys can see why I've been lately been trying to mix it with other products. The NT, man, it's just the price point is so high now. It's $80 a spot with the 25 teams. I mean, we could always eventually dismantle the combo spots and just kill the Marlins and Astros and have 28 spots and bring the price back down. Just saying. Alright, here we go. Good luck. 2011 draft. There's your auto. For the White Sox, refractor auto. Is it refracting? Maybe it's not. Yes, it is. Can barely tell, though. Last screensaver here. Keenan Walker for the White Sox. Keenan Walker for the White Sox. That is a refractor auto. It's not refracting very much though. It's weird. It's like a bootleg fractor. Numbered out of 500. 498 of 500. Keenan Walker for the White Sox. And Audi Tech. That was fast. Joe Patterson, D-backs, blue paper, $4.99. Jace Peterson, refractor for the Padres. You can see the refracting on this one. That Keenan Walker is just like not happening very much. Oops. Cole Kimball, Nationals refractor. Should have joined them pre-sales of the NT footballs, which should have done. Those 3-month in advance pre-sales we had in here. Took a while to fill. Everybody's all see it. I knew everybody's gonna be upset that they missed them. They missed them. Now prices through the roof. Brandon Nemo for the Mets, refractor. Found him. Chris Davis still a grand slam? Are you kidding me? Wow, Chris Davis is on fire. That's ridiculous. Jared Dyson for the Royals. Refractor. Yeah. Yeah, he does. We need to get more NT football. NT football is not easy to just go get more of, man. They don't want to give it up. They're going to hold on to it. Archie Bradley, refractor for the D-backs. Brad Hand, Marlins refractor, and there's a blue refractor at the end here of some sorts. It is a rookie, Mark Hamburger for the Rangers. Mark Hamburger, blue refractor, number to 199. It's first box of 2011. Alright, here we go. 2011 Elites. Got an autograph for the Chicago Cubs, Tony What the Zitch, son of a Zitch, 663, Tony Zitch, Cubbies, card dude. Insert for the Dodgers, Angelo Sonko, a Cole auto, Garrett Cole. Alright, let's get one. Will Lamb for the Texas Rangers, number to 100, auto die cut, 48 out of 100. Rangers, card dude's got Rangers too. Got both in hits so far. Building block. Blue die cut, number to 100, non-auto, Chad Comer. 99 of 100. This is a nice one for the Giants. Kyle Crick, number to 614. 93 of 614 on card, Kyle Crick. Card Dude has the Giants. Card Dude has 4 teams. 3 of them have hit the first 3 hits in Elite. What's his other team? Blue Jays. Next hit's a Blue Jay. I quit. Arizona Diamondbacks, number 80 of 100, John Griffin. Die cut auto. John Griffin for the D-backs. And Too Tough for you. Too tough.
A long run for Beltran and Descalzo.
Insert Anthony Rendon, Nationals.
He can drop that elbow in. He talks about what he, or thinks about what he does to you, where he stays in one piece, and he wants to throw that top hand right to the ball. That's the top hand of the right hand. That's the swing he's looking for. So practice it prior to the at bat.
Die cut, number to 200, Curtis Granderson for the Yankees.
Good pitch. First time out, 111 pitches.
Joe Panic, Giants insert.
Well, closer for Saker. Himself up with a lot of positive stuff.
We've got 730 on card, Cameron Gallagher from the Kansas City Royals. Royals is Maxiho. Another hit. 1035, Chad Comer. Atlanta Braves. Celtics fan 33. Brian Goodwin insert for the Nats. That's done. Number to 200, Tyler Anderson for the Rockies. Man, not that great a box of Elite. Kyle Crick was nice. Nobody else really good though. Just saying, maybe Cameron Gallagher one day. Kind of a sucky box. 2012. He's talking about on Facebook probably. First up, Seattle Mariners, number to 100, Tyler Pike. Die cut auto. Mariners, 1-1. Alex Murin, number to 100. That's what we call him, Butthead from Beavis and Butthead right there. Sick. 34 of 100. Die cut auto. Minnesota Twins. Murin. Ross Rob Nickel Gun. Twins. For the Milwaukee Brewers, Tyler Wagner to 478. Tyler Wagner. True 17 as Brewers. Congratulations, Truthy, on finally getting a hit. Hey, thanks. Insert of Travis Jankowski, Padres. Insert of Corey Seager, Dodgers. Die cut of Lex Rutledge for the Orioles. Number 200. For the Kansas City Royals, Zach Lavorne to 592. That playbook didn't even sell out till like an hour ago. It's been up all day. You could have got it. Oh, that sucks, man. Sorry. Walker Weichel to 597 for the San Diego Padres. Walker Weichel. San Diego Padres. Padres is Nick J85. Undefined G20's got a playbook break. Albert Almora for the Cubs. Lucas Giolito, Washington Nationals. On card out of 722. Uh-oh, dropped it. Look lost. Run out of stuff to do?
I really wanted to do that eBay stuff, but
you don't want to plug your thing in?
no.
Kevin Gausman.
I'm scared of it. I'm scared.
Orioles. Insert. You're just in time for round 2.
Woohoo!
After this one's done. Die cut auto, Matt Reynolds.
Oh, that's a good one.
Number to 100. Matt Reynolds. I think that's the Mets. New York Mets. Matt Reynolds. 54/100.
Yeah.
Give it time. That select will go. You don't even need to throw the updates in the room. Got a lot of stuff left. 17 left in that one.
It hasn't even been tweeted yet.
Still an awesome price, by the way.
Let's tweet this.
Byron Buxton for the Twinkies.
Imagine if we tweeted it. Oh.
Put it on Twitter. Put it out there. Lewis Brinson for the Rangers, number to 200. That's gone.
Ah, gone. Wow. Sick.
And a green PMG, number to 25, Rowan Wick, St. Louis Cardinals.
JBJ.
That's it for round 1.